Hey, it's Matt from Black Coal Woodworking. Welcome back. Today I'm making a handle for a drill bit. It's going to hold the drill bit in there so I can drill pilot holes or depth guides when I'm making bowls or other items. So I'm trying to use just the skew in this project, and I took a log from the fire pit and really getting it down to round. Looks like I might need to tighten up the tailstock there. Now I'm using a peeling cut to remove a lot of wood very quickly. Probably one of my favorite cuts, as it's kind of one of those so satisfying things. I play a little personal game where I challenge myself to take the biggest shaving I can. Now this really only works when there's no knots or branches sticking out, so you really have to be careful. When I'm planing with a skew, I'm trying to go at a bit of a less angle where I hold the tool flatter to the wood in an attempt to take kind of a peeling and planing cut at the same time. The reason I do this is because it allows me to take off more wood at one time. Now that I've got the diameter where I want, it's time to shape the ends. This is going to be a really simple shape. I'm just going to round them over and then add some lines for fun because using a guitar string while wood turning seems to be fun. With the toe of the skew, I'm cleaning up the end. That way I know I've got a very clean grain no matter what I do next. Using the toe of the skew again, I'm just creating these lines. I pointed straight in at first, and then I need to cut on both sides of the point that I made to clean up the sides of that cut. Because when you put the skew straight into the wood like that, you tend to fray the sides slightly until you come in at that angle from both the left and the right side to clean it up. If you're wanting to use a guitar string on your lathe as well, it's best to get the strings that have that wire wound on it as opposed to just the straight wire. Alright, so I drilled a hole for the drill bit and filled it with some JB weld and then put the drill bit in. After an overnight cure, this is it. I did leave the surface unfinished otherwise because it's a utility tool. You can see the end there where I filled the JB weld. It feels nice to hold. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.